What's up, everybody? Early morning is 6:27 right here on TaneyComo, waiting on a buddy to show up. Just caught one on the Berkeley Chopo. We're gonna try to get that morning topwater bite. So stay tuned if you want to watch some frog blow-ups and some topwater blow-ups. See some of these fish that are right here on TaneyComo. So let's go see if we can't catch ourselves one of them green bass. Stay tuned. Another one on jewel. First one on an old Chopo. Right here waiting on my buddy. Let's not. 2 to 5 this year, so I freaking not really, but I guess. He's like, well, we ain't catching nothing. He's like, I'm about ready to go. Tired of just sitting here. Did we go fish somewhere? Ooh, net. Yeah, good one. Good one. Like a 2. No, 4. That's a 4-pounder. That's a good one.
Yeah, he's chunky.
Might be 3. Not as big as I thought. He looked a lot bigger with the head. Yeah.
This is pretty heavy though. This is 3.5, almost 4.
Good one on the whopper plopper. You go for a fish for our biggest 5?
Let's do it.
$3.46. $3.46.
Spicy. A healthy fish.
Mm-hmm. She's actually fat. Runs all the way across. Oh,
He was there. I tried to wait.
that's the hard
I thought it was under.
cheese or if a little bit more.
Should have really just slacked it until I felt him, but I don't know. I get so impatient with frog fishing compared to anything else because as soon as I see it hit, I just want to freaking rip it.
Yeah. Oh, right there was one.
On you?
Mm-hmm. That's a big frog. Look at that big son.
Holy crap. He wanted it though.
Frog on the frog.
Kinda. I don't know, it just depends on how you're running the bank it goes.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm throwing this in the lake later. So technically, ooh, why did I move that?
Get him! Got him? Good one. That's a good one. Oh, sorry, watch out. Keep on him. Oh shit, what's that?
If you get it, the real will untangle it in a second.
Oh! Whew. Oh, he wasn't going nowhere. Was that my frog or my line?
Yeah.
I was like,
I started reeling it up in it and I was like, I don't even care. We'll deal with it in a second.
I was like, what the heck's going on?
I went to move it out of my way and then I was like, I will just deal with it.
What, you show the camera?
Yeah, pretty.
Fumble gas, and I'm like, fuck that one. Not bad. I thought he's still a good fish. I thought he's right at. It'd be pretty close to 3.
Weighing it? You want to? Yeah.
Bleeding like a son of a gun. Lead him over that boat over there.
Huh?
You don't lead him over the boat if you don't get, you know.
Oh.
You're good. I think he swallowed it.
Blood everywhere.
We probably pulled right up on his point with it.
Pounds at the dink. That's back there.
Little one.
He smashed it though. Number 2.
Yeah, just kind of help him out. One on the jewel jig.
And you get one? Yep. Oh, you did. Throw that on the Alright, let me double up real quick.
Another one up. Pull him off. Back like that. Another one on jewel. I think it's still there.